Welcome to Optimized Risk Management. I am Karen Muller, and I will be sharing risk management techniques to help you with your small to medium-sized business on a continuous basis. Today's topic is about defining your risk appetite. Your risk appetite is the level of risk you are willing to accept or tolerate to meet your business objectives. Every business has risks. Some can be managed, some can be avoided, and some cannot be tolerated. Your approach to managing these risks is dictated by your comfort level. Only you know the level of risk that sits comfortably for you and your business. Therefore, your risk appetite level should be personalized and can differ from one business to the next, from one person to the next. Even within your own organization, your appetite level can vary according to the type of risk you are exposed to. If you articulate your risk appetite accurately, you can limit misunderstandings when communicating your expectations for how you manage your risk. There are several cues to help you determine your risk comfort level. Consider these questions. At what point do you and others want to know when a risk materializes and when? Do you feel that you are currently being informed too frequently on seemingly immaterial risk events? How often do you expect risk events to occur? You can use an impact and likelihood matrix to flesh out the answer to these questions. This matrix helps you think about a risk from two perspectives: the likelihood of it occurring and the impact should it occur. The impact should be assessed on increasing scales, from the point when no one cares if the risk were to happen to the point when everybody would care if this risk event happened. When you consider your likelihood states, this should also increase in scale, from the point when the risk is rarely likely to happen to the point where it is likely to occur very frequently. Now, think about how you would feel if you plotted a risk in any one of these squares. Would you consider a risk to be high, moderate, low, or no if it was always expected to occur and had an impact so significant that everyone cares? What about somewhere in the middle? Is this a high, moderate, low, or no risk level for you? What about the lower left box, where it is not expected to occur frequently, and if it did, no one would care? Is this a high, moderate, low, or no risk level for you? Ask yourself these questions for each box. It is helpful to color code the boxes to align with the respective answer for high, moderate, low, or no. Many people use a red, amber, green scale, but you can use any color code that works best for you. Once you have color-coded the combinations, you have defined your risk levels and, by default, your appetite levels. For each of your level 1 risk types, that is, the highest groupings of risk categories for your organization, look at your color-coded matrix and decide where you would like the risk to fall on that matrix. For example, would you be comfortable if your operational risk events happened with the likelihood and frequency associated with the banding for high risk? Do this for all of your high-level risk categories. If you haven't defined your risk categories yet, you can refer to my video on risk taxonomies to get you started. You may also want to define appetite levels for your level 2 risk if they deviate from your appetite defined at level 1. For example, you may decide that you have a moderate appetite for operational risks in general, but perhaps you have a low appetite for operational risk associated with the likelihood and impact of fraud occurring. Keep in mind that there is no right or wrong answer for this exercise. Your appetite level is truly dependent on your comfort with accepting, maximizing, or limiting your risk in order to achieve your business objectives, regardless of whether the level may be deemed inappropriate by others. Was this content helpful for you? Hit the like button and subscribe to let me know. I will be sharing risk management techniques to help you with your small to medium-sized business on a continuous basis. Feel free to let me know in the comments section if you have a particular risk management topic you would like us to cover. Additionally, at Optimize Risk Management, we can provide you with personalized risk management guidance, if that will work better for you. We are here for you. How can Optimize Risk Management assist you today?